Hey everyone, One Empire here. Today I've got the Blackhawk tactical Serpa holster. It's got the modular drop leg platform on it too. A lot of people have this, been issued it, whatever, for deployment or some kind of thing like that for law enforcement, and it's kind of confusing how to put together, so I'm going to do a quick video just showing you how it works. I don't know everything about this holster, just how to get it to work and fit. So basically when you get it, it's going to be something like this, just kind of like a mass, you know, with this the Serpa lock holster. This happens to be for the Beretta 92-96. It's a right hand Serpa auto lock. As you can see, it's a nice feature for having a holster. What you do, go ahead and start unbuckling this thing and just taking it apart, laying it out. Alright. So what you're looking at right now is the inside of the leg. You can see the rubber on there to keep it attached and give it grip onto your leg. So it's a little bit of issue to wrestle with. I just pulled this part off here, which attaches to your belt. We'll get into that in just a little bit. So there you go. It's laid out. That. Go ahead and flip it over and I'll show you how to adjust the thing. So what you have here is you've got the double back, which is for neatness on the straps. So what you want to do is go ahead and pull the strap out of it, and then this will slide freely now up and down like so, and then you can adjust it to your leg. I'll do that in just a second. Same thing with the other side. It's doubled back, so just pull it out like so, and then that leaves you the ability to adjust it up here, so you can move it forward or the other way. Okay, so I'll go ahead and change angles here. Actually, just one second. This is the part that goes up to your leg, and this attaches to your belt. It's got a quick release like so, just snaps back on. I'll show you how that attaches to the belt in just a minute. So before we actually put it on, we're going to need to do the holster and attach it to the modular platform, I guess it's called. You also get this, I'm not actually sure what it is, so if someone could comment on that and help out the other viewers, that'd be awesome. You get some extra screws and washers. So the platform that the holster itself is actually attached to isn't used in this setup. So what we're going to do is go ahead and take it off. So you've got your 3 screws here, and we'll go ahead and take them off. Don't lose them. And then we're going to attach it on the back side to the top 3 screws in the middle. So I'll go ahead and pull this free here so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. 1, 2, and then 3. Alright, so the holster goes, and this is for a right-handed holster, by the way, basically like that. So we've got all 3 screws nice and tight on there. You can adjust it a little bit. You can see when you're screwing it in that there's a little bit of room for adjustment in here, but it's really minimal. I imagine that's what this is for, but again, I haven't been able to figure that out, so sorry. So now we can go ahead and put on our legs, and I'll show you how to do that. Alright, camera 1 died, so we're on camera 2 now. So anyway, we're putting the mag pouch, attaching it to the holster on the sides here, and we'll mount it low on the lower holes. So go ahead and take the screws out of the back and leave the rubber back part attached to it, and then find the holes, flip it over, and you're going to have to move the straps out of the way again. And then reattach the screws. Just just like before, the holster part. And you don't want to put these on too tight because you'll strip out the screw inside of the pouch, and it'll be almost impossible, if at least a really big pain in the butt, to get back on. How do I know this? Because I did it. So make sure to, either be very gentle, or better yet, use a manual screwdriver. So you can see that's not really screwed in there, but I'll see if I can fix it. So we've got the one side in, as you can see. Good to go. And then we'll go ahead and repeat with the other side. See? There we go. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and mount the harness onto our body, or the whole. Okay, so what you want to do to get this mounted on, make sure these straps are nice and tight so there's no slack in there. And then you'll go ahead and obviously put this on the side. And it'll be up to you whether you want to adjust the drop height first, or the tightness around your leg. So I'm going to go ahead and do the drop height first. Put through down, then the quick release goes on, facing down. Make sure the circle is pointed outward, and then fold down the flap. Fold this part like that. Actually, loosen it up just a little bit, and there you go. That reinforces it. Okay. To attach the holster, just click it and click it. Now go ahead and undo this first part here out of both of these, and that'll allow you to adjust your height, basically where it's going to hang down. Do it on both sides, and we'll go ahead and tighten this one up a little bit until you get it where you like it. Once you're done, go through one, go through the other. You're basically doubling back, and this is just going to hold the adjustment really solid. And then over through the elastic. I like to double back here just to make it a little bit cleaner looking. And then repeat on this side. And then for the leg adjustment, it's basically the same thing. Buckle. I already disconnected or pulled out the straps from the holders right here, like we did on the front, so I can go ahead and adjust it to how I want it. Double back. I like to triple it over too. Just a technique. And then on the bottom one, double back. Move this thing forward a little bit, like so, and then double back if you want. Again, this is up to you, but when you have it set up like this, your adjustment is not going anywhere, and you're ready to rock. So once again, One Empire here. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped somebody out. Comments and all that's always appreciated.